online squadmates? We're here backstage sa Meteor Rain album launch ni Squadmate Rain. Oh my gosh, ang ganda na.
Nandiyan na naman tito ko.
Natuwa ako na part ako ng concert mo. Pero yung mga fans mo, tawag sa akin Tito Jeremy dahil sa'yo.
They're like just respecting my endearment to you.
Mamaya dito si Emilio.
Email na naman ang saing king natin. Oh, AC's coming as well.
AC's coming
Oo,
din.
kompleto
Tayo.
tayo. Kompleto.
Alam mo, first to mangyayari sa I Want Exclusives, kompleto tayo na hindi lang ako. After talking to Rain, kakausapin naman natin isa sa mga hosts na nandito ngayon. Jazz!
Me?
Oh my gosh!
Hello to me.
Guys, hindi ko rin alam, sa date ng album launch ni Rain, birthday siya.
But you know, I'm so proud of you. You're my all-around girl and I'm proud of you. You're a star.
Oh.
Kaya, let's go guys.
Kakarating ang AC, kakatapos ko lang.
Kailangan kompleto kami para kay Rain.
Ang importante, kompleto kami at first time ever kompleto kami sa concert.
Yay!
Hindi lang ako.
Thank you. First of all, thank you for the flowers and the cakes. The cakes. Thank you po, I Want Squad. Thank you po. Thank you for coming all the way here. And thank you for Reindeers po talaga. This is not possible without all of you. And thank you for the wonderful edit that just made me feel all the things that parang they said na mag-1 year na since PBB and I hindi ko makasingin talaga bro. Crazy man. But thank you so much guys. I love you so much talaga.
Ayun, online squad page na nagkatapos ng album last year. Thank you, Squadmates, because you like me hosting my album with them.
Yes, and for those who missed our album launch, we perform the whole thing again sa I Want Asa.
Yeah, we'll see when we head back to.
I Want Asa!
Ano ba yan? I Want Asa!